This is a video of Chris's Funjet. He put landing gear on it from a p47. Thunderbolt, you see the back and the front on both sides. He got tired of breaking propellers. This is Chris here. We got tired of breaking propellers in this park. If you look everywhere, I pan around in a complete circle. We're surrounded by trees. So we put a landing gear set on here. Take off and landing for the first time here. Put it on smooth the ground, a little more forward in front of you, Chris, not uphill. Alright. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Funjet with landing gear, takes off the grass. Chris is made in flight. Slow it down and trim it. I lost it. It's way high in the sky right now. But generally he built this just so he could land without breaking a prop. So let's see when he lands if he achieves just that. And he's adjusting his rates while he's flying because he's a lunatic. Literally rolling the scroll up and down while he's flying. I should film that. Keep a high, rider. I got it on video. Awesome. It was a lot of wind, so I didn't know how that was going to work out. How do you feel about that, Ryder? Come back here.
The fucking heavy wind is what I just did, you know? Coming in, then I had to get it over our heads, and then after it went over our heads, like,
a lot of wind today.
Let it go.
Very windy. At least 20 minute hours.
A little motor abuse when it hit, like,
it's alright.
Like a dog.
Let's see if it still spools up. It's a complete landing with his Funjet with wheels, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. Still spooling. Beautiful job.
I tried to get I tried to get it on the aileron, lower the ailerons in the air. I got it to that screen, but I was about to crash.
Crazy bastard. Okay. Next video.